In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Google Calendar, specifically how you can attach meeting notes to your Google Calendar events. Whether you're managing meetings for work or organizing personal commitments, keeping track of important details has never been easier with Google Calendar's note-taking feature. Let's dive straight in. First, go to your Google Calendar page. If you already have it open, that's great, but if not, you can find it easily through your Google Apps or by directly typing calendar.google.com in your browser's search bar. Once you're on the calendar page, you have the option to either create a new event or edit an existing one. If you want to add notes to a scheduled event, simply click on the event in question. However, let's explore creating a new event today to see how seamlessly Google Calendar integrates note-taking into your scheduling process. Begin by clicking on a date and time in your calendar to open the event creation window. Fill in the essential details like the title, date, time, and any guests you might want to invite. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the Add Description or Attachments section, and you'll notice a button that says Create Meeting Notes. This convenient button allows you to automatically generate a Google Doc that outlines your meeting agenda. Once you've clicked Create Meeting Notes, be sure to save your event by hitting the Save button on the event window. This ensures all your information is securely stored and ready for access. Now, to access the notes, open the event that you just saved and click on Notes. This will open a new Google Doc, which comes pre-populated with all the pertinent event details you've initially entered. It's a seamless transition from scheduling to documenting, allowing you to keep everything organized in one central location. This Google Doc is not only attached to your calendar event, but it's also linked directly to it. This integration means you can access your notes at any time, even while in the midst of a meeting, without having to rummage through files or emails. It's an incredibly handy feature for anyone who needs quick and efficient access to their meeting agendas. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that all of your calendar events are accompanied by comprehensive notes. This not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus more on the important discussions during your meetings, rather than scrambling for details. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Apps to streamline your daily tasks. Until next time, happy scheduling.